Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie, and I'm in the city centre of Manchester. And if you've not been to Manchester for a while, you might not recognise it, as the Arndale Centre here has been improved and renovated. There's a tram line here, and the old Triangle Shopping Centre is now a place where you can go to eat. And the Printworks, which used to be a printing press, is a fantastic state-of-the-art entertainment centre, and that big glass building there is the football museum. But today we're going to have a look into the Printworks. In 1996, parts of Manchester were destroyed by an IRA bomb, and since then this area in particular has been redeveloped, and it's a great location and very easy to get to on the tram network. You can either get off at Exchange Square, Victoria, or you can get off at Shude Hill, which is just behind the building here. As we enter into the Printworks, this place has reinvented itself. As the name of the current premises would suggest, it started off as a printing house back in 1873, and by 1929 it was the biggest printing press in Europe. Those with a longer memory may remember that in the late 80s it was taken over by Robert Maxwell and the Mirror Group, and it was renamed Maxwell House. Now, it didn't last long until 1988 when it was closed. It remained empty for 10 years and it was bought for £10 million. They spent £110 million on it and opened it up as this entertainment complex. Well, last year they invested £27 million into the centre, and this is what it looks like now. Much of that £27 million was spent on this magnificent video ceiling, which I believe is one of the biggest in Europe. There are lots of bars and restaurants in this complex, including the Hard Rock Cafe that we've just passed. We've got Chiquitos. We'll put a list of all the places down below in the description box. There's another bar there, and snuck away in the corner there is a Nuffield Health Centre we're just passing now. This is also an event space. They often have bands playing here as well at the weekends. And we've got the Tank and Paddle, which is a pub. There's O'Neill's. There's the Walkabout pub as well. There used to be a Magic bar here. I'm not sure if that's still open, or perhaps it's now disappeared. There's also a View Cinema, which I must admit I love visiting. There's a beer cellar, and there is a Wetherspoons at the top called the Seven Stars. And that's amazing, isn't it? That digital video ceiling. There's a Big Licks on the right. And here's the View Cinema. The cinema has 20 screens and also the second biggest IMAX screen in the UK. And if you fancy a game of golf, there's a Treetop Golf at the top of the building with an entrance around the back. And there's also 10-pin bowling in the basement, again with the entrance around the back. There are a couple of empty units here, which is a bit sad to see, really. It'd be nice if there were some businesses there. I'm sure there will be in the future. There's a Walkabout bar here as well. And as we get towards the top, you'll see on the right hand side the Wetherspoons, which is called the Seven Stars. I often go in there and then go to the cinema afterwards. That view cinema, by the way, is equipped with reclining seats, and you can watch a film, if booking online, for just £7.99. As we enter back into Printworks, more views of this spectacular video ceiling. Beautiful. And the flooring has been replaced as well, by the looks of it. There used to be like train tracks running across the bottom of the floor, no doubt originally there from when it was a printing house. And that just about wraps it up from the Printworks in Manchester. Until next time, bye for now.